Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Bestlacewigs. It's a nice white plain box. This is what's in the box. As I open it, I have a goodie bag here and a wig. So let's see what's inside. A wig cap. I got a rat tail comb and an edge brush, brush and comb. I got a extra elastic band and a flyaway tamer, and that's the final thing that came in there. I have the wig here. That's everything. And I like the presentation, you know. Everything is branded and nicely, you know, put together in the box. So for today's wig, I have a lace front wig here. Okay, this is actually a 13x6 parting. It's more like, it's not as deep on the side, but it's a full-on lace front. It is 130% in density, and it's a Pixie cut bob. As you can see, this is really short. It's 8 inches long, and it's their new clean hairline that's on this wig today. I'm so excited about this. It definitely looks clean. It looks really nicely done, very professionally done. The lace is already bleached. If you get this wig, you don't have to go in and bleach it. You really don't have to. That's already done, and it's already pre-plucked really nicely. So bear that in mind. The color of the hair is 1B, and this is how it looks. It looks very natural, so I'm very impressed with that. So yeah, on the inside, apart from how the lace looks, it has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back, and it's a medium cap that I got. So yeah, that looks really nice. So this is perfect for the summertime, by the way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to install this. The back portion, to just make sure it's a little bit more snugged in the back, you can just go in and use your adjustable straps to make it tighter. And I usually put it to about there, and then I just slip it on. The lace is pretty long in my face, you know. I have to go in and cut away some of the lace there. So right off the bat, I can say this lace looks amazing. It definitely is on the thinner side because no product is on it, and it already looks very nice and melted and laid, and that's what we want. It looks like a fresh relaxer. Like the texture of the hair too, it's giving that, you know. You see how snugged it is on my head? It's like, I like that. I'm going to be using, this is gonna be a glueless install. I'm going to be just using my Got2b for today's install, so no glue. I'm just gonna cut away the excess here because, as you can see, it's covering my ears. So I take my time, ensure I'm not cutting off too much of the hair, like more than I need to. I don't, and then it fits perfectly around my ear. So that looks just so nice. It's so nice. I love that. Well, Bestlacewigs, I can't complain. Like, they're always with the quality, okay? So bear in mind, when you cut off the ear portion there, that can increase some shedding because naturally you cut some of the hair, so you get a little shedding there. So now that everything is laid and measured out nicely, then I pretty much start using my Got2b and start, you know, applying it section by section. I usually go from like one ear and then make my way around to the next. So I use my blow dryer on cool air, and yeah, I'm gonna just get, the back is very snugged. Like the back is snugged. Like, I love that. I love that. It's giving.
Cause we be on a tough love.
Alright, so I said, you know what, let me show you guys what this is looking like without any makeup, any finessing, just me, just freshly installed, you know, just got to be it. I haven't applied any other product, you know, no makeup, no nothing. This is what the hairline looks like. It looks amazing. It's really thin, so it still has a little bit of cast here, but that's going to be fixed enough. I'm going to melt it down further, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks before I apply any makeup or anything. So I'm actually going to just do my little just my little swoop here. I'm not gonna do any swoops here, no baby hairs, because this is too gorgeous. It's just, and it just gave me that vibe. Like I could have done like a very sparse swoop, but I'm not. I'm gonna keep that pulled back, no baby hair vibe. It's really nice. I'm gonna do like a side part. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a side part action. So like you're gonna see that in a few, but I just needed to come back and show you guys it once I have removed the extra lace. So it's looking really good. It's looking really good. And again, the length, the construction, everything is perfect for the heat, perfect for the summertime. Got a little glam. This is how the hair is looking. Let me show you the back. Super snugged. It's like super snugged. See how natural that looks? That looks too good. Like, what I'm gonna do is, of course, get my hot comb and I'm gonna just put a little in the front, and I'm gonna do a side part. Okay, this looks super natural. Okay, this looks like I got a relaxer and I gave myself a haircut. Yeah, you see the Bestlacewigs done it again. Like, you could go ahead and give it the straight look if you want, but I just wanted that little bump action. It definitely looks like I gave myself a haircut. I'm lost for words. It was so easy to install, first of all, because it's not a lot of hair that you're working with. It's not like super thick, and the lace is easy to work with because it's thin. It's as you know, it's the new upgraded Clean Hairline. So these laces are definitely easier to kind of just, you know, work with and apply. So I have to give it to them. It's a 20 out of 10 for me. Like, it is too gorgeous. So yeah, I feel like this is perfect for that chica that want to definitely get into wigs, but you don't want to go too bold. You know, it's perfect for the office, you know. So it's a go for corporate. It is a go. It gives a timeless kind of feel, you know. It's just gorgeous. And if you guys know me, I love a good cut, and this is giving just that. It's giving natural, it's giving effortless, it's giving, you know, easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. It's nice. It's really nice. So I'm going to be sure to link this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested, please go down there and check it out, as well as the specifications. This is an amazing wig for the summertime. It's really hot right now, so the fact that, you know, you don't have nothing down on your shoulders, and, you know, you just not feel like you know, and still look cute. Yeah, what more could you ask for, right? So yeah, it's a go. Shout out to Bestlacewigs for this bomb wig today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumb up. Also, keep on supporting your girl. If you're not yet subscribed, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free, and you guys know I am so consistent. Don't forget to also go ahead and check out my vlog channel for TV. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.